This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make shrimp chow mein. We'll begin by gathering all your fresh ingredients, including succulent shrimp, authentic chow mein noodles, and a colorful array of crisp vegetables. Next, prepare your wok or a large skillet, ensuring it's ready for the high-heat cooking that defines this dish. You'll master the essential stir-frying technique to achieve that perfect texture and incredible flavor. Finally, we'll serve this delicious, aromatic dish hot for an authentic and satisfying experience. For this delightful dish, you'll need 1 pound of medium-sized shrimp, carefully peeled and deveined for convenience. Grab 8 ounces of either fresh or dried chow mein noodles. Remember to cook them al dente according to package directions. Next, chop about 2 cups of your favorite vegetables, like crunchy cabbage, vibrant carrots, and colorful bell peppers. Don't forget to whisk together a savory sauce using soy sauce, a touch of oyster sauce, and a hint of aromatic sesame oil. Now for the exciting part, the stir-frying. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in your wok until it's shimmering hot. First, add the shrimp and stir-fry them quickly for just 2 to 3 minutes until they turn beautifully pink and opaque. Next, toss in your prepared vegetables, cooking them for 3 to 4 minutes until they are tender crisp. Finally, add the cooked noodles and pour in your savory sauce, tossing everything together until it's perfectly coated and heated through. Your homemade shrimp chow mein is now ready to be enjoyed. Garnish your masterpiece with a sprinkle of fresh green onions or fragrant cilantro for an extra burst of flavor and color. Serve this incredible dish immediately, either as a satisfying main course on its own or alongside other Asian-inspired dishes. If you crave a little heat, feel free to add a dash of chili oil or some red pepper flakes. Enjoy this quick, flavorful, and truly authentic meal with your loved ones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.